So today's assembly is all about one of my very, very favourite articles, and that is Article 31. You have got the right to relax, play and engage in cultural and artistic activities. You will see lots of people sharing what they like to do in their free time as part of this Article 31 presentation. But before we start, Helen from room 7 is going to introduce our assembly. So take it away, Helen.
Good morning. Today's assembly is from room 7 and it's about Article 31. Article 31 is important to children and young people. All children and young people should have space and time for play and relaxation. Playing helps to keep all children safe, healthy and happy. No one should be left out. Children must have the opportunity to explore and understand their own culture.
So you all remember my juggling challenge very, very well, which, to be honest, has not become my favourite pastime. I'm absolutely thrilled to show you someone who did take on the juggling challenge and who did really, really well. So take it away, Todd. I had this response through the steering group class dojo, and this young man said, in response to Article 31, I like to play Xbox in my spare time. This is a very popular pastime nowadays, isn't it? So you'll see from my pictures, I have loads and loads of things that I love to do in my leisure time. I love to do adult colouring, thanks to John, who bought me a colouring book and some pens and some pencils for my birthday, which was very, very kind. So John's completely got me into that. I love doing jigsaw puzzles. My favourites are 1000 pieces. And you all know that I like walking. I think you already know that. And recently I went for a lovely social distancing walk with my friends. Can you recognise anybody? And then we did a fabulous social distancing picnic.
To help me relax, I like to go for a daily walk. I also have a Fitbit competition with some of the staff from school. And I like to keep track of my steps, but Louise keeps beating me.
To relax, I have started to learn yoga. This is me sitting quietly and very still. I watch the candle on the telly until it burns down and dissolves. This takes 3 minutes to do. I am careful to just concentrate on the flame and I do not listen to noise. This is very calming and I like it a lot. People have been doing yoga for over 5,000 years. It first started in India and is part of Hindu and Buddhist faith, but everyone in the world can practice it.
Hi, one of my hobbies is gaming. I enjoy stories and the fun action. Recently I've been playing a challenging platform-style game called Celeste. The object of this game is to climb a mountain. It is clear right from the start that the main character has self-doubt and low self-esteem. Madeline goes from polite to rude and hostile, a common trait for people with low self-esteem and a lack of social experience whenever they experience negativity. The player's journey to beat the game's challenges mirrors Madeline's mental health struggles. We are both encouraged to not give up or think that we can't do it. We meet Madeline's double. This character, called Madeline, is a physical manifestation of Madeline's anxiety. You must battle with Madeline throughout the game. Essentially, you both team up to beat the mountain together. This game starts off simply and becomes very difficult. It is both fun and frustrating. It feels very rewarding when you beat an area. This game has won awards for raising mental health awareness and awards for its reputation of those health issues. It is available on any modern console or PC. I recommend that everyone should play it.
Jason loves to ride his bike to pass time, and that is a fantastic computer-drawn bike. Jason, well done. Very clever.
During my leisure time, I like to relax and colour.
And here are Linda's contributions. So thank you, Linda, for your contributions.
One of my favourite places to visit is Birmingham Art Gallery and Museum. It's a great building, and the entrance to the museum, called the Round Room, is beautiful. I love wandering around looking at all the exhibitions, but particularly like Edward Burne-Jones's paintings, tapestries and stained glass windows. There is also an Edwardian tea room where you can relax even more with a nice cup of tea and maybe a cake after all that walking around. Hope it's open again soon. Hello everyone, I've written a poem called Relaxing. Everyone should take time to relax and rest, to just sit quietly when you've done your best, chilling in the garden or upstairs on your bed. Go for a walk, that'll clear your head. Listen to some music, whatever you like, or go for a ride, get on your bike. So relax when you can, anyhow, anyway. Make time for yourself every single day.
And we have got a lovely picture of Lego here. Lots and lots of you love to play with Lego for its play qualities, its relaxation qualities, and also its therapeutic qualities. So thank you, Jay, from the steering group, for sending in that super picture.
And they made this marker. This is Spider-Man. This isn't the real one, I just made this guy. So I'm putting my buckles on, like this one, Hyper Drago. Hyper Drago, I don't know. The keeping. And this is like coloring, and this is what I made.
Hello everyone, hope you're safe and well. I'm here to talk to you about Article 31, which is every child has the right to relax and play. So I want to show you what I like to do to relax. So here are some of the jigsaws that I like to do. As you can see, there are 1,000 pieces and some are 500 pieces. They help me take my mind off everyday things and help my mind to relax. Can you guess which is my favourite? And can you also tell me what you like to do to relax?
I've had a really lovely long contribution from Jordan in Siobhan's class, all about Article 31. Every child has the right to relax, play and take part in a wide range of cultural and artistic activities. These benefit us for our social interactions later in life. This is very important for children. Free play benefits young children when they follow their own ideas and interests. This helps us develop imagination in our own way. I think play is fun and helps me to develop and explore different things I like. It also helps us to be creative, which can help in our early years towards our education as well as our life skills. Play is the fundamental way that children enjoy their childhood as we grow up. It's important our parents give us a good upbringing. Playtime is used for young children and free time is used for older children, as young people tend to identify with the term free time rather than playtime better. It's important our parents allow us arts-based activities, which include musical activities, drawing and painting. These are things we can do to help limit stress and our anxieties. It's important our parents from a young age allow us to access reading and creative writing. This helps towards our education. Sports and leisure activities. Well, sports and leisure-based activities are very important towards our health. There are so many things. This could include playing football, playing tennis, rugby, horse riding. These can help us develop friendships and help with our social interaction with others, which is important to us all. It's important our parents and teachers start this at a young age so we can benefit from a young age. Cultural activities are very important to children because cultural activities are preparing us for the real world when we grow up. It can help us be more independent. This helps strengthening our personal skills and social behaviours. What a marvellous piece of work, Jordan. You have obviously put a lot of thought into that. Well done.
Hi everyone. I enjoy playing board games as an indoor activity. My favourite board game is Scrabble. I hope you have a favourite board game and do enjoy playing board games as well. Okay, take care now. Bye-bye.
Okay, in the evenings when I'm relaxing and I'm watching telly, I get a little bit bored if I'm just watching telly because I like to do something with my hands as well. So I love to knit. Now here I am, I'm knitting a snood to go with my red poncho. A snood is like a scarf thing and it'll just basically wrap around me. So there's two types of stitches in this snood. There is plain and there is purl. So to do a plain, you go in like this, you wrap the wool around, you go under, you lift the stitch off. To do purl, you bring the wool forwards, go underneath like that, wrap it around and slip it off. And that's all there is to this. And this is called moss stitch. So it's one stitch plain, one stitch purl, over and over and over again. And then at the end, I'll just sew it up. And that's a very, very simple knitting pattern.